Boy, now you make me float, float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm...
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video by me. Today, this video, what I'm going to be showing y'all is how I dyed this hair. Y'all saw it in the clip, but I'm going to show you how I did it step by step. First off, this is the hair. It's by me. It's 28 inches, 613. Body wave, you see. And basically, I was inspired by Megan, her WAP look with the tigers. And then I thought, what does this remind me of? And I thought of old girl from Shark Tales, Lola. So yeah, that's really what inspired this look. I'm gonna first rinse it off so it's wet, because it'll take the purple shampoo better. Start from the bottom, especially since I'm doing a ombre. It's gonna be darker up here anyway, so I'm just go ahead and with my light color first. This is the lighter color that I'm gonna be using down here at the bottom. I'm now using this light color on the bottom because I'm going for a reverse ombre with it getting darker as it goes up. To start with the design, I'm imagining myself doing big triangles on the bottom, and I'm just gonna lightly press that design into the hair. I would say it would be easier to add hairspray before you go in with the dye, because the flyaways kept getting in my way. For the next part of the design, in addition to the big triangles, I'm doing little branches, or I'm doing smaller triangles off of the big triangle and kind of making like a branch off, and it adds more depth to the design. Add some cherry balm to what's left of the raspberry, and I'm gonna go from there. I'm gonna add like a drop of this just so I can get the differentiation in colors, and start going from this light color to darker colors and end up at the darkest one. I did skip ahead in the process, but what I'm basically saying is I wanted to map it out myself, but I just kind of kept going in little branches as I go up to the top, and I just freestyled it on my own. but it's hard to see. There is slight differentiations in the color slowly getting darker. You can really kind of see the ombre effect right now that is in the light, and you can also see the idea I'm kind of going for. I saw in one of the things that I was looking at that basically they had like bulky in the middle and then kind of those little things I had on the side there. Red, you see it? Yeah, that's what I'm adding. It's mixed right now. It was mixed with the cherry balm, but I'm just gonna add more of it into it now since we're at the top, and I want it to be just nice and dark, like a spoolie, eyelash brush, whatever, you know, to get into the roots of the lace. With this spoolie, I want to make sure you're very clear to go slow and be calm, because this is where the lace is and you don't want to stain your lace, especially with the color that's as bold as pink. So I like to start applying the dye not directly at the lace. I'll apply a little bit away from the lace, and then as the dye gets less, I will go back in closer to the lace and add it in there. But I just want to make sure, even though it looks like I'm going fast, I want to make sure that you make an effort to go slow to not mess up your lace. We managed to mostly finish up with getting these roots done. Yeah, I just have like that bit more to go, just showing you where I'm at. And yeah, that's the back of it. Gonna go back and work on it some more until I feel like it's fully perfect, but just giving y'all a mid update. this is not as dyed as this because this needed to be fully dyed from, like, every inch needed to be dyed. Only the top layer needed to be dyed, and that's why it looks like that. But yeah, this is going to sit and process. Now let's get the rest. Just gonna add this. I skipped the parts of me rinsing out the crystal clear and conditioner I had put in the hair, but right now I'm just making sure the part's straight and combing the hair out before I go in and blow dry and style the hair. We're back. So I'm fixing the part, making sure it's fully straight before I start flat ironing it, and I'm gonna go in and pluck it to my liking. Be making sure my part is as straight as possible and just pluck. Well, the hairline, I'm happy with where the hairline is. If I don't like it on myself, I will probably go back and pluck it. I can't really give y'all advice on plucking, so that's kind of why I just sped through this part, but that's just all I'm doing right now. So y'all, it's been a minute. Like, it took me so long on this hair. It was days trying to rush and get it done before my birthday rolled in, but I got it done. This is it after I flat ironed it. I'm going to include a clip of me after install, but thank y'all so much for watching. This is the finished hair. I'm gonna just